How to delete your card off Lyft. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your card off of Lyft, or how you can remove your payment method or the bank card from the Lyft application. Now, the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, in order to delete your card off or to remove your bank card from Lyft, first open up the Lyft. Once you open it up, the application, what you want to do is you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon that you can see at the top left corner of the screen. Once here, you'll get a list of options as you can see here on the screen. You want to simply head into the option that says payment, as you can see below the ride history option. Once you tap on payment, now if you have any payment methods or payment cards added, it'll show up right here. In my case, I don't have any, but it should pop up right here. You want to simply tap on the particular card or the payment method that you wish to delete, and on the payment detail page that you can see your card detail page, you'll find the option to remove card or to delete card. You can simply go ahead through the prompts and you'll be able to delete it. So this way you can delete your card off Lyft easily. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.